Hi there, bag makers. Today we've got lots of brand new items that have hit our website at sewyours.com, and I wanted to take a few moments to go over each of those items with you. So first up, we have our highly requested rolls of our Girly Glam printed vinyl. This has been a very big request for us since we released the Glam and Go kits on our website, which sold out within hours of releasing the kits. So now you guys can make your own zip and grips and your Glam and Go bags with our Girly Glam printed vinyl, available on our website at sewyours.com. If you're local to our Nylon store, these have already been available. They have been our #1 seller here in our store. I think these are going to sell out pretty quickly on our website, so go grab yourself a roll or two of the Girly Glam printed vinyl. That is 18 inches by 53.5 inch rolls. Next up, we have our seatbelt webbing. This is 1.5 inch wide seatbelt webbing that has the word handcrafted embossed along one side of the webbing. So we've brought this in 5 different colors. First up, we have our hot pink, followed by our grape color. Then we have a nice classic navy and a chocolate brown, and another classic, our black color. So these are gonna go great with many of our printed vinyls, faux suedes, and faux leathers. So check out our brand new handcrafted 1.5 inch wide webbing on our website. Speaking of webbing, we also have 1 inch wide cotton webbing now available on our website. One of the biggest requests for webbing in our store here in Nylon was, do you have 1 inch wide webbing and do you have solid colored webbing? So yes, now we do have these. So if you don't like making purse straps from your faux leathers or your cotton fabrics, all you need to do is grab some of this cotton webbing and add your hardware and you're good to go. You'll have a crossbody strap or some shoulder straps. So we've got this in 10 different colors for you. I'm gonna try to remember the names of the colors here as I go through them. So first up, we have red and blue. This one is either called lilac or lavender, I believe. Then we have our teal and this beautiful gold color, maroon, emerald, artichoke. So artichoke almost looks like a gray, but it has a hint of green to it. Black, and I'm sure you'll be able to find a few that are gonna fit your upcoming projects. So check out our cotton webbing on our website. And the next item I am so excited for, and that is our 8 inch purse chain extenders right here. And each of these chain extenders is going to get 2 3/4 inch O-rings on either side of the chain. You can purchase these as a single like I have right here, or if you want 2 for your purse strap, then you'll need to put a quantity of 2 in your shopping cart. Now let me show you our itty bitty bowler bag with the purse chain extenders on them. I love this combination. Now this idea came from Angie that works here in our Nylon store. She put together this particular itty bitty for our store display and added the chain, which I think it really sets the bag. It elevates it, makes it into more of an evening bag. So whenever she did that, I knew I needed to carry the chain. So we've had the chain probably since January, but we were waiting for our O-rings to come in. So we were finally able to release the chain. Now here is an itty bitty bowler with your standard strap. That's a 3/4 inch strap that is written in the pattern. So I made this one yesterday up, but I want to show you the difference that the look of this bag gets when you add the chain strap. So here is the chain strap that I made yesterday for the itty bitty bowler. So let me add that for you. So here is the chain extenders added to the itty bitty bowler strap. I love the look of this bag, like I said, with the chain extenders. It really elevates and makes it a much more classy bag. And the itty bitty pattern is also available on our website. This was probably like the 5th pattern that I released. It's great for children because it is such a small size. Just to make it in some child-friendly fabrics. It is great for an everyday bag for anyone who likes to travel light with maybe just their phone, their keys, and a few other small items. But now you can make the itty bitty bowler into an evening bag. Our purse chain extenders are available in 5 different finishes. So we have our nickel, light gold, rose gold, gunmetal, and antique brass. Next up, we have our #5 nylon zipper tape, and we are calling this the Rainbow Collection. You can purchase these by the yard or by the 3 yards, individually or as an entire collection. If you purchase the entire collection at 1 yard, you're gonna get a total of 7 yards, or if you purchase the entire collection at 3 yards, you're gonna receive 21 yards of the zipper tape. So first up, we have our hot pink with our rainbow coil, followed by our purple with rainbow coil. We have our aqua, This one I might be calling lilac or lavender, and this has an ombre purple coil color. And then we have our metallic silver, our white, black. The last item is a handy tool. You guys have been loving our bag hardware screwdriver. This is called the It's All That screwdriver, and it's perfect for installing those super tiny screws into your purse hardware. So your strap ends, turn locks, things like that. These have been flying off the shelves. So we decided to bring in the larger counterpart. So you can see right here, it is significantly larger. It's basically your standard size screwdriver. This one has 7 tips, while the larger one has 6 tips. So the smaller one has flatheads and Phillips. This one has flathead, Phillips, and that little starburst, which I don't know what it's called. So you get 6 tips with this one. This is going to be great for servicing your sewing machine, but it's also perfect for your car, for your house, just to keep handy because you only need to carry one little screwdriver and you can just change out the tips easy enough by pushing it through to the next one and grabbing it, and then you can swap it out for multiple sizes. You can find both of these screwdrivers on our website at sewyours.com. You'll be looking for the one that's named bag hardware screwdriver for the smaller one. Purpose screwdriver. This week we also got shipments from Moda Fabrics and Benartex. With Benartex we got lots of new prints, and with Moda we got additional colors of the Moda Grunge, bringing our collection of Moda Grunge colors up to 31. Shop all of our new products on our website at sewyours.com. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.